Director ako ngayon, sir. Director ka na.
Friday, birthday of Mr. Tops. Yeah.
Birthday, Mr. Tops!
Yeah, Mr. Nori, Mr. Andong. Oh, Pinit. Yeah, the cake.
Individual,
Yeah, this is Mr. Tops. Happy birthday, boy. Mr. Tops. Yeah. Miss Proline.
Hey, ano ba yan, Nori?
Mr. Playboy. Mr. Kai.
I-upload natin sa YouTube.
Mr. Yang. Mr. Tang. Mr. Boo.
Mr. Boo.
Wow. Mr. Boo. Ina. Excuse. Oh, Miss Hong.
Very bad, you're very bad.
Tin. Mr. Adungan eh. Mr. Playboy daw. Oh.
Nobody, Mr. Cool. Cool.
Well, we are here in Super Witch house. Birthday of Mr. Yeah, why? No, not.
Again.
For me. Hello. For me, nothing. Okay. No. Kaya up.
Yeah.
Okay, Pinit. The director, Mr. Nori. The new director. Yeah.
Okay na. Full. Yeah.
Miss Bro, wish.
Ako may birthday.
Hindi ko muna.
Wish ko lang.
Birthday ko, wish ko lang magkapera ako.
Wow!
Lapit na.
Ayun.
25 pa eh.
Effectivity 28 pa?
May sweldo lahat, once a month lang, 25 lang lumabas.
Sabay nga pala na ano.
Nice cake. Let's do this again next month.
Next month, birthday of Mr. Danny.
Yeah, let's do this again next month.
In Kidom.
Yeah, we never.
Next time in Kidom. Mr. Andong. Okay?
Come on.
Not me.
Older.
Parang siyang ano, may
Tama lang. Hindi siya masyadong not too sweet.
Ayoko sila na bibili nila kadalasan.
Ayun mo, lagi naman ka nakain. Boy, ubus naman lagi sa'yo.
Hindi kaya, hindi ko kaya isaubos.
She said she doesn't like the cake. You don't want that? I think, sir, you always finish.
No, I always go with the trash.
Oh, next time we
Mr. Kai. The new father.
The one that has pineapple.
In the middle.
So this side the pineapple.
Yeah, but you finish one.
Try to eat all.
Most of the already be careful, huh?
Yeah.
Did not.
I'm afraid for him.
When? No. What? How old you go? Bakit?
May new career.
Photographer.
Yes.
Kay Mako.
Okay. 10 million. Bakit? 6 million.
Sa birthday mo po yan.
You made first.
Kasi naman Sunday eh.
In the pocket is the problem is here.
Only one left. Ito mo. Mo lang ha.
Later.
I already finished two.
Ano na?
How many you okay? Đánh bên nhà gần tóc anh. In the office. Còn hết cát khô với lại thịt là qua ăn em. Dạ anh cho phòng vui nhiều.
Không ăn hả?
Không ăn rồi. Kiểu hạ.
Chút xíu à.
Ăn đi.
You get it. Already? What happened?
Yeah.
Anh đá, anh đi chậu đá, thì được yêu bức cưng làm này đó. Đá gì đó, ở đâu mà đá đó.
Yeah. A tour to the rich family's house. We're going to the elevator.
Okay, I have this.
This is the outside of the rich, super rich. Going to elevator.
Hello.
They are visitors. Here.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Chọn nó là hả? Còn như buổi học thì em á.
What's your late?
What's the dishes?
You want to
Có rượu đúng không? Hả? Thằng nhân. Cầm dưới em.
Ano kung meron pa ang dami?
Bữa nay không có tài.